How's it going, everyone? So today I'm going to talk about how to break a fast. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, if you're interested in online personal training from me, simply comment below in the comment section. I will get back to you guys with more details. So I've done intermittent fasting for some time already. I know exactly what you guys are going through. You have just fasted for, say, 18 hours. You are now ready to eat for the first time. It could be 12 hours. It could just be that you woke up and you're not even doing intermittent fasting. You just went to bed and now you're breaking a fast at breakfast. So you are starving. You instantly look for the foods that taste amazing. You say to yourself you only have a quick dessert or a quick snack, but then you start binging and you start eating everything in sight. Before you know it, your calories have added up and the fast was pointless. How can you avoid doing this? The best thing to do to break a fast without binging is to make sure you eat the foods that you don't necessarily like the most first. The reason for this is because if you eat the foods you love first, then you fill up on crappy foods first. Then when it comes time to eat the healthier options, you are already full, and chances are you feel like crap because you just ate a ton of crap. The best way to break a fast is to load up on healthy vegetables. I have always found out that this is the best way to avoid binging when breaking a fast. I recommend eating your vegetables first, then your protein sources, then after that your fats and starchy carbs, and then your desserts. Some good vegetables that I eat after a fast is mixed vegetables that have carrots, broccoli, corn, beans, and watered chestnuts in them. There are a ton of different vegetables you can eat though. Experiment with them and find which ones you like the most. Remember, do not eat the chips, the cookies, the snacks first. Those should be ate at the very end when all the healthier options are already ate. Another thing I have noticed too when intermittent fasting is that the first meal after my fast, I'm not able to eat that much. This is why it's good to break it with your vegetables or with a protein shake. I then notice 2 hours after breaking my fast, I'm extremely hungry. This is again a good time to finish your veggies or start on your protein and starchy carbs or healthy fats. Try this method out and you should see some results. I will also put a link in the description box to a meal replacement if you guys are interested in trying that out. End of video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video and share it. Thanks again.